Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuru. Today we'll be learning how to share Picsart profile link, and now let's dive right in. Now to share your Picsart profile link, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a person icon or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll land over here where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the option that says share profile just above the settings over here at the bottom side of the screen. Tap on the share profile button and your profile link will be copied, where now you'll be able to paste it to any social media platform in order to share your profile. So I'll be just pasting it on the notes of my phone, and after opening the notes, let's open up a new note and I'll be just pasting it over here. And after pasting, guys, you can see you will be able to paste this link to whomever you like by just pasting and sending it to social media platforms or mails. Your Picsart profile link will be shared, and this is how you'll be able to share Picsart profile link from your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.